This is a fast and easy way that I make my riced cauliflower with a processor. First, I wash it. Then I cut the cauliflower up into pieces. I don't like using that fat middle part, but feel free to cut it up small and use it if you like. I chop off some of those thick pieces in the middle. But again, if you prefer, you can use it. You just cut it up smaller. Okay, so once I have it all cut up, I rinse it again. I dry it lightly with a clean paper towel. You don't want a lot of water in it because it'll come out watery, and rice is supposed to be firm. This is the blade that I use. I use the medium blade. I don't like it small and I don't like it big. I put it all in the processor. And then I let the processor run anywhere between 10 and 20 or 25 seconds. It does not take long at all. If you let it run too long, it's going to be mushy. And if you let it run not long enough, it's going to be big and hard. Okay, it's the size that I like it. So now I just take it all from around the sides and down in the bottom under the blades as I prepare to pour it into the pan. A little bit of oil in the pan. Spread it out. You could put whatever you want. Sometimes I like to use shallots, but today I'm not. I put it on a low fire, a little salt, little crushed red peppers. That's what I like. You put whatever seasons you like. And a little black pepper. Stir it all together. Then you cover it up and you let it simmer about 5 minutes. And here's your results.